May is Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and in today's Healthy Living with USA Health, we're telling you how to get a free skin cancer screening. Joining us this morning is Dr. Kimberly Donnellan with USA Health. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Now, Dr. Donnellan, many people may not know this, but skin cancer is the most common cancer in the U.S., right?
That's correct, and especially this area where we live, where we're exposed to our beautiful beaches. Obviously sun and the UV light is what causes a lot of the skin cancers, and so we're at risk particularly.
Now, what is something that people can do out there to prevent skin cancer?
Well, the easiest thing is to avoid the sun in the midday when it's the strongest. But the next most important thing is to use sunscreen. And we really want to have people using sunscreen year-round, not just in the summer months. Another trick is protective clothing, and then definitely avoiding things like tanning beds, which also emits UV rays. That should be done.
You know, growing up, it wasn't something that was enforced in my household, but do you have any suggestions on specific sunscreens that people should be using?
Yes, I particularly like mineral sunscreens and something that's broad spectrum. And by broad spectrum, I mean it covers the UVA and UVB rays and SPF 30 or higher.
Now, what are some of the warning signs that something may be more than just a mole on your body?
Right. If any kind of spot that you notice changes in texture or feel or color, if it grows, certainly if it bleeds or itches, that's something that you want to have checked out.
Now, if someone does want to get a skin cancer screening, like what's the process with that? What does that all involve?
Right. Well, you can go to your physician and have them check your skin. And then if we notice something that seems like it could be concerning, we'll do what's called a biopsy. So we'll numb the area and take a piece of that lesion and send it off to a pathologist to look at under the microscope to tell us if it's malignant or benign.
And I think one of the questions, if someone that's unfamiliar with this, the process, the procedure, do you get scarring off of that? Is it something that, you know, you have to let it heal for a while? Does that vary?
Yeah, everyone's different. So, we do try to close it the most aesthetically pleasing that we can. So we have lots of tricks to make it heal properly, and we go over that with the patients after the procedure. Now,
y'all do have a free skin cancer screening coming up, right? When is that? Can you give us more information on that?
May 19th from 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay. And so does someone have to register online, do anything like that to be able to do that?
No, we're not taking appointments. We just show up.
From 2 to 4?
2 to 4.
Okay. And can you give us again any additional information? Where can someone go to get more information about this, and also maybe learn more about USA Health and what y'all do there for the free skin cancer screening?
There's lots of information about skin cancer on the internet, but you can also just speak with your physician, or you're welcome to come in for a consult at our office.
Now, Dr. Donnellan, before we wrap this up, is there something else that maybe I'm not asking you that you want to let the audience know?
I mean, the sunscreen is the most important thing. I mean, we need to use it liberally and use it often. So that's one of my most important things, and to use it year-round, not just in the summer.
All right. Well, thank you so much for that helpful information, honestly. I appreciate it. And thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.
Now, if y'all want more information on this free skin cancer screening, just visit our website, fox10tv.com.